Hello and welcome to approach number 3, the fourth episode in this collection of videos on how to produce a vibrato. Let me start by congratulating you because you've been sticking with me up until now. That means that you're really serious about stuff. This third approach is not a pure technique to produce a vibrato in itself, I think, but it's something that is really helpful when you're trying to master the finesses of playing a vibrato, especially when you're looking for this beautiful sound that is the same all over the saxophone. So in the really high notes as well as in the really low notes, you want something that really pleases yourself. I mean, you have to be happy with this sound. Don't let go before you've achieved that level of happiness with your own sound. And I think this third approach is something that might help you discover your own way. What you do is you move your lips. Obviously, your lips are a part of the embouchure. It's a muscle, so they are very important in creating a sound on your saxophone and in having a sort of flexible sound as well, playing a beautiful legato, etc., etc. So the lips are really a key part of your embouchure. I think I might do another tutorial just on embouchure as well. But for now, let's talk about how you can create variations in pitch by moving your lips, by increasing and decreasing pressure to the reed just by moving the muscles in your lips. Let's see what it looks like without playing the saxophone. It's incredibly funny. It makes you look like a fish. And it does really help you understand what's going on. Again, here things are easily explained just with the neck and the mouthpiece. Like I said, I'm not so sure that this is a pure technique that you might want to use, but for the sake of it, let's just try it in all ranges and see what happens. Now here again, you start big, exaggerate, and then when you get the hang of it, you make the movements smaller and a little faster. And I think this is when you realize that maybe this movement of the lips, it's so subtle that you'll probably use it in places where you have to play very softly, or when you want to be very, very subtle about your vibrato, or maybe in the end of a note, just at the very end of a beautiful long note that you want to end in pianissimo, but do add a little bit of vibrato to it. Now, this is definitely something that you want to play around with in music that you know. So choose a piece that you're comfortable with, something that you think is fun to play, and then just experiment. Have fun with it. Thanks for watching. I hope to be helpful again with this different approach. Check out my next video in this playlist on ways to produce a vibrato. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you progress. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.